What's good, BB family? We are back at it with another video. And what I got for y'all today, we got a few things for y'all today. I'm gonna do like some hat restoration because I got a couple hats here that are very dirty. I gotta bring those back to life. And I've been y'all in the comments, I've been in the comments for a while now, telling me to get back on these Raising Kanan and all these other shows reactions. So we're gonna do that at the same time. I'm gonna play it once I start, with the hats and shit. So yeah, let's go ahead. Let's get with it. I mean, y'all here, y'all might as well go ahead and like this video. We always got that good content for you all. So here we got a Glow My God Yankee. I wasn't planning to do all this. It's just these hats are here for another video I'm gonna do, but ironically I wanted to. So this is the OG joint, the Halloween. I never got to see the difference. These are my boy's hats. I'm helping him out. That's word. Alright, everything on it, so yeah. Smaller logo, better patch. I mean, this patch is OD, I'm not gonna lie, but like I said, for the concept, for the theme of this collection, Halloween pack, Haunted House was crazy. But so first things first, I'm gonna start off by using the limb, hitting it with the limb brush and everything, because he has a dog and she sheds a lot, so this hat has a lot of dog hair on it. We're gonna go ahead and knock that out before we get into the cleaning. Is that the only one with hair? This one got a little bit. This one got, oh yeah, the black one's got a lot of that. So let's go ahead and, yeah, this one gets me tight. But you know what, let's go ahead and start this episode. Pay the toll. Alright, here's the previews and shit before the show starts. Happy Labor Day, yo. Happy I'm always getting tongue twisted. Happy Labor Day today to all of you guys. Hope you guys had a good day. Nice day off. Oh, you see what we're doing. Just, regular shit. This doesn't really need any explanation, Just trying to get off all the lint, hair, all that, so we can get into the cleaning. Yeah, he definitely be using these hats to work in, because when I seen them, I'm like, oh nah, you definitely use your hats. You got dirt and all that, but we gonna take care of them. We're gonna bring them back to life, like I said. Episode about to start. So far, Raising Kanan, to start, let's say, Raising Kanan is my favorite show out of all the shows. I wanted it to be Force, because I fuck with Tommy. That's my favorite character. But so far, I mean, it's only been one season of that one. So we shall see how season 2 pans out. But Raising Kanan is definitely my favorite show out of all of them. And so far, I've been liking it. This nigga Kanan's starting to annoy me. He's really starting to annoy me, just like Tariq did in Power, bro. Like, let me put the volume up. Famous got kicked out. Shit's crazy. Real. I don't know how I feel about that situation. Rock is definitely capping. She's definitely capping. That cop is definitely Kanan's pops. Get back. Alright, so let's go ahead and spray it down. Hat Club. What we got here? Cleaner, deodorizer, Any old cleaning spray you could use. It ain't gonna, you know what I'm saying? Spray it down. You don't gotta be shy. Shit, the brim's dirty too. Let me go ahead and... Yeah. Here we go. We're gonna use this one. You know what I just realized? This music playing right now might get this video copyrighted. I might have to figure some shit out. with the editing. So y'all gonna hear me say this in the video because I'm gonna figure something out. Because I ain't trying to have this video get copyrighted. I'm just trying to provide y'all with good content. You know what I'm saying? I don't own the rights to none of this, but YouTube be on it. So I'm gonna take it, say shit, and thank you for homicide, you know, you play with. Oh, what's going on? See how the episode starts. So we got. Looks like they about to do a run. Yeah, they packing up all the shit into a truck. Word. And this is alright, but oh, let me get the top real quick. Alright, so there's a truck. I'm assuming this is Rock's work, obviously. Being moved.
Chasing that same paper.
Oh, they shooting the truck. Okay, so you about to get robbed. Give it one last look here. This is definitely gonna be a long video, y'all, cause you know I'm live reacting to the show, and it's cleaning hats at the same time. You feel me? So get your popcorn, get yourself a drink, stay tuned. If it's gonna be a long video, but this hat I think is good to go. Let me know what y'all think.
Everything you need to know. The precision, the dexterity, the story unto themselves.
Oh, I missed something. I see something there.
A true artist isn't concerned with the market.
Oh, it's here.
They're consumed by their own vision and inspiration.
Is that what I saw? What am I seeing? What am I seeing?
A sucker holding a brush. And by the way,
Alright, I'm bugging, y'all.
you ain't fooling nobody with a
Yeah, I'm bugging. This shit valid. Alright, on to the next.
I know where you from. Fort Greene in this motherfucker.
Who's she talking to? This is that dude that does business with Lou. I think he's managing that girl that Lou, you know, saw. He pulled up on her in the middle of the streets because he heard her music and whatever. So this dude Rock's talking to him right now. What they talking about?
I'm surprised.
Oh, that she knows him or whatever.
Enjoyed it this evening. I thought you were.
Kufa Fashion, correct? Oh, sheesh. He was working. We go ahead. Let's go ahead and get started on this.
Trying to figure out how it is you do what you do. How you done what you did. Living downtown, copying paintings, and talking like you spent summers at the Ink Walk. Different.
You different.
You into different shit. Like, shall we get it? See me.
What do you have too much of in this?
Drama.
I'm talking about that thing that you it's all good. But you work so hard.
That's so much I got passed around. You watching your money, man. You can cash for all this hot shit, you flip it, and then you make it quick. Yeah.
Study right. I like that about you.
Ooh.
Amongst other things.
about to get into business now. So apparently this dude washes his money through this little art gallery he owns, because you know he be trying to talk all Sadiddy and shit. Here we got Kanan out of prison. This is Pops? Who this?
They told me I had family waiting on me. The fuck are you? Kane is stuck. Defcon stuck. Rocksteady. Damn, Keenan. The last time I seen you was just a little bit of a baby. Now you all grown up. Oh, easy with shit. Why the fuck you hate that? Because I can't do nothing for you, Keenan. Don't even bother asking.
I just want to talk about my father.
Talk to him, nigga.
Shit, I just want to know what kind of stuff he used to say about me. Shit, did he even talk about it?
He was nothing but a baby, man. Nothing else to say. Well, Rocksteady did say.
She just told me stories about how smart he was. I had mad respect on the street.
Correct. Your def had the whole South Side on lock, man.
He's definitely my father, man.
The fuck you just asked me? Is he definitely your daddy? Who the fuck else is gonna be your daddy? Huh? What, is Rock telling you that she was with another nigga at the time?
Oh, nah.
Yo.
It's nothing like that.
This is looking good.
She was just
Check this out. It's getting better. What y'all think? Let me know.
Especially when a nigga ain't around no more to defend himself. You remind me of that.
I might go at it again. I'm gonna go ahead and attack this sweatband because this shit is crazy. I mean this brim. Why I said this sweatband?
Ask me those questions. You a man, I can't. Shit, why ain't you already running corners? Living in his own crib, running out to any bitch he wanted. It's time to get him. Just like your daddy. And don't forget about your Uncle Vernon and his commissary.
Okay. That's his uncle. Okay. This shit crazy. Go ahead. Alright, so he's leaving now.
more trouble than sweat. Marvin Rock,
Lou.
why you calling me?
Lou's at the studio right now.
Fucking with Jersey.
Oh, Jersey. So that run that ended up getting robbed and they beat the dude. That was them trying to go to Jersey. So that happened in Jersey. Alright.
I had to get rid of the board to take care of some of these expenses. But it's all good. I don't know. And negotiations with it. How far along with these negotiations, Graham? Because I ain't an expert at this shit like you, but I'm pretty fucking sure we need a mixing board or we can't throw shit. I'm rather handle it. So just relax.
Oh, he just smacked his oatmeal.
I ain't like
He got him pinned up against the wall.
just don't want to see me agitated, alright? Man, oh man. I'm on the road. Ain't shit I can do about that
Crazy.
right now.
It's getting better though, because the whole brim was filthy, but now we still get, and it's wet too. So, but here's most of it. Bringing these shits back to life. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and spray it down a little more.
All this shit was worth it. Cause the whole fucking world done blow it while you trade stores with bitch ass money. You know Bernie used to stick up old age for the welfare money, right? Scam this motherfucker. Ain't care about nobody but himself. That's your other uncle. So? He tell you anything you didn't already know about your daddy? I don't even know what I don't know what I told you. Hey, let me tell you what you do know. You got a mother that loves you. What do you think when this goddamn
and green earth. And the family around you, they got your back at all times. That's all any nigga can ask for. Point is, only motherfuckers who count are the ones who are here. They the ones who got
That's a
you. They the
fact.
ones looking out for you.
That's a
Maybe
fact.
they ain't perfect. Maybe they ain't who you want them to be, but they're here for you.
Don't let that go over your head, man.
And that's all that matters.
If they ain't checking on you, if they ain't looking out for you, if what you be putting out and giving out isn't being reciprocated, they ain't for you, man. Cut them out. If you feel like they dragging you down, cut them out. If they always saying some negative shit, cut them out. You feel me? This weirdo shit. People always want to make somebody else unhappy when they're not happy. Like, come on now. So she's been trying to find her mom for a minute now. Forget her name. But Marvin's daughter. I always forget her name. But she's been looking for her mom. She's seen her actually, but then she's been nervous to go actually talk to her. But she rang the doorbell. Laverne, there we go. Yes, sir, ski. Alright, bet. What's next? The Sandman. My fittest joint. It's a good hat. This is gonna need this too.
Probably see this as a surprise. A wonderful surprise. Look at my hands. Come here. Take off your coat.
She's just looking for pictures in her mom's crib. Oh my god, yo, did y'all see this pack that John Jay's dropping? It's a book. It's like a catalog of books, like a collection of books. Wifey was telling me what books they were too, because she said she used to read those. She liked them and shit. What book is it? What books are they? What a great. I gotta look. But once I look, I think y'all should know what I'm talking about. The khaki crowns, they're all two tones. Khaki crown, the bill's a different color, but they all got green UVs. And they're yo, this pack might be the pack of the year, y'all. Definitely might be the pack of the year. This shit is insane. He got a Twins movie. He got a Mariners movie. He got a Cleveland Guardians movie. He got a Cubs. I think he got like 2 different Cubs, to be honest. What else is in this? A Marlins, crazy. A Cincinnati Reds, crazy. Yo, these hats. John Jay, you did your motherfucking thing, bro. This pack is crazy. Like, you can't go, oh, there's a Phillies too. The Phillies is the only one I'm not feeling. And it's because of the neon green. Like, I love green. Green's my favorite color, but not neon green's always been like a, can't really do it. Like, I don't really like it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what's going on over here? This is a great crown. So she's telling her why she left her. She left her when she was a couple months old. She left to LA to try to become a singer. It didn't work out. She got caught up in the wrong shit. You know, life. Life never really goes as planned, but you gotta make the moves. Oh, what I used to say? I used to say something. Adapt and overcome. There we go. That's how you gotta take life. If you don't adapt, you don't survive. Don't let that go over your head either. Yes, sir, ski.
Right here, right now.
I don't know how I feel about that. You know what I'm saying? Especially if she's been living in the same state as you now for a good minute, and she just never went out of her way to find you. You had to come and run down on her yourself, and she, you know, I don't know. I don't know. Like either way, like what? Like you were scared because you were a little kid, and you were not a little kid, but you were a young teenage parent, and you said you did what all kids do in scary situations. They run, or they run away. Like bro, a kid though, that doesn't like scary situation. That's your whole seed. Like you just carried it for 9 months. You gave birth. Like you're just going to dip.